Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Welcome to another vlog. I'm back home now from our trips. We were in Dubai, and then before that I was in the Amalfi Coast, which was incredible. If you guys haven't seen it, that vlog, I will have it linked down below. But it was honestly one of the most stunning places, and there's also lots of good like spring and summer fashion inspiration in there as well. We shot like a little lookbook that I integrated within the video. But yeah, it was so nice. I'm filled up on my vitamin D, which I was very low in. But today I wanted to vlog because every year during this time when it starts to get a little bit warmer outside, I like to switch out my closet. So I have quite a bit of clothes, but I don't have that much space in my wardrobe. And because we live in a very seasonally dependent like weather situation, there are things in the summertime that I absolutely do not wear in the winter, and then vice versa. So some of my coats and things like that for the winter I absolutely do not wear in the summer. Same thing goes for boots and scarves and things like that that just take up space, and as I mentioned, I don't have that much space, so I want to make sure that the space that I have is only used for the things that I need and the things that I want to wear that season. So how I kind of manage this is by putting away all the clothes that I'm not using that season in my suitcases that go behind my closets, which are right there. So they are stored away. So since we just got back from the trips, I do have my suitcases out. They're right in front of me, and I'm going to now switch out my winter things for my summer things. I'm so excited to take out all my dresses again and my sandals. I'm going to do the same thing for my boots and this little corner here where I have some of my shoes. So these are the two suitcases that we used on our trips last week, and Mo's already put in his winter jacket and some other pieces that he's not going to use in the summer. So I'm going to fill this whole thing up with my winter things, and these were some of the summer clothes that were in the suitcases that I either brought with me on the trip or that I was thinking about bringing. But these are some of my summer pieces that I don't wear in the winter time, so lots of dresses and sandals and things like that. And this is the closet where I like to keep all of my longer coats for the fall and winter. So now that I'm not going to be using, for example, this one, it's super cozy and nice and warm, but we will no longer be needing this because it is now spring. I do have some other little random bits in here that I have to organize, but these we're going to take out, and then this will be the closet for all of the long dresses that I have. By the way, I have this candle burning right now. It's from Diptyque. It's called Freesia, I believe that's how you say it. It smells really good and very fresh and springy. So this is setting the mood.
Wanna drink my wine, wanna move my feet. Wanna drink my wine, wanna move my feet. Wanna drink my wine, wanna move my feet. Wanna drink my wine.
I've also taken out these gloves and some hats. I'm going to put those in there as well. And then these are some scarves that I'm no longer going to be using.
Wanna move my feet.
Now I've got a free box. I've also got a few shorter jackets that are in this closet over here. So here's where I have my blazers, my denim jackets, my leather jackets. So some of these things I'm still going to be wearing, but I know for sure I'm not going to wear, for example, this faux fur jacket. Same thing with this one, which is like a fluffy little teddy coat type of jacket. And then of course this one as well. So these are going to go into the suitcase as well. Another thing that I like to put away that also takes up quite a bit of space are these fluffy robes that I love, but they are very thick and they're perfect for winter but not necessarily for spring summer. So I've just given these a wash and I've wrapped them up, and I'm also going to put these into the suitcase. this is one of the drawers where I have some of my sweaters. Most of these are going to go into the suitcase as well. It's looking very full right now, but I'm going to try to fit. For example, this one, I know for sure that I'm not going to wear it because it's very chunky, but something like this I might still leave out because it does have little holes in it, so it's not as hot. All right, so at this point, when I feel like I have more space in my closet, it's less cluttered. I've put away my winter things. I will now go through my spring summer things that I had put away a few months earlier, and as I'm going through it, putting things in my closet, I'm seeing if there's anything that I can give away. I try not to have too much of an emotional attachment to my clothes. I want to have things in my closet that I know I'm gonna wear, because again, we're working with a limited space and I want my closet to be really functional. I want to open my closet and know that I want to wear everything in there. So it's really important that I just keep the things that I know I'm gonna wear. I have a general rule where if I haven't worn something in 12 months, it's gotta go, but there are a few exceptions. I'd actually show you guys one of the things that I just cannot get rid of, and you guys probably understand why. This is the play suit kind of like romper thing that I wore when Mo and I got engaged. Do you guys remember from Maldives? I actually haven't worn this since that day, so it has been over 12 months, but this is just something that I'm probably going to keep for quite a while. A huge tip that I have when it comes to closet organization and just having things look nice is to make sure that you're using the same hangers. So this is an example of what not to do. So I actually prefer these black velvet hangers because they're very slim, so you can fit more clothes into your closet. Plus I think they just look very sleek. And then the wooden ones, these are the ones that Mo actually uses for his closet, so sometimes we just get like jumbled up. But now I'm going to switch these out for the black hangers, and I've got a whole bunch of them over here. I like to keep them in a shopping bag at the bottom of my closet. This dress I've actually had for years. I got this when I think I turned 23 years old or something like that. I was living in New York, and it's just one of those pieces that I keep getting so much wear out of, and it is from BCBG Max Azria. So now everything is in, but it's looking quite messy, so I have to organize it by color, and again just try to get rid of things that I know that I'm not going to wear. Alright, that was a little bit harder than I expected. I thought I was going to be able to take out more things, but I guess I'm just so excited for the spring summer season that I just want to keep everything. I did my best to try to organize it a little bit by color, so that it's just easier to locate things and to see what I have. So next I want to move on to my shoes. So these are a few of my shoes that I like to keep out. Those are Mo's down there, but these boots, for example, I know I'm not going to wear now, so I'm going to put a few of those away. So these are all of the clothes that I'm going to be packing away. I've also managed to fill up one bag of clothes that I want to give for donation. So you can just imagine how much more space I have in my closets now with all of these things packed away. And I literally would not have touched these during the summertime. So it just frees up so much more space in my wardrobe, and I love it. It gets me very excited. Putting the suitcases behind this wardrobe is kind of a mission in its own, so I'm gonna wait for Mo to get back so that he can help me with that. But it feels so good, you guys. I would highly recommend if you also have a smaller space, or even if you have a bigger space but you just want to be more efficient and more organized, put away the things that you aren't using, donate as much as you can, that things that you know that you're not going to wear. It just makes the biggest difference when you go to get dressed. It feels more like boutique-y, like you could be shopping in your own closet kind of thing, and not have it be overwhelming with too many things that you're not using. I hope this video was a good inspiration for you and gave you some ideas for your closets. I do have a few other videos on this topic of where I take you through my closet. I did one of these in the winter, like fall winter time, when we got back from the Maldives, and about a month ago I did a whole declutter of my closets and also of my beauty products, but I still didn't have my summer things out of my suitcases yet. But I do share quite a lot of tips in that video as well, and I give you some other like little looks into my closet and how I organize things. So I will have that video linked down below, and all other related videos that I've mentioned. Before I go, I want to do a giveaway for you guys in this video. So these are the products that one of you guys can win. We've got some really great things from Benefit, some brow products, a beautiful eyeshadow palette from Too Faced Cosmetics. This is their natural matte. This is a hydrating mist from Glow Recipe, a face cleanser, some makeup brushes. So to enter the giveaway, all you have to do is leave a comment under this photo right here. This photo is going to be over on my Instagram. You can leave me any comment that you like, and that will count as your entry. And I always send a direct message to the winner, so make sure to check your inbox in about a week or so. Let me know if you guys have any video ideas or requests that you would want to see on my channel. Let me know down below in the comments. And yeah, I hope you guys are all having a beautiful day, and I will see you in my next one. Mwah. Bye guys.